Hi, we are Group 48 from CS 7641 Fall 2022 course, and I will discuss a project on prediction of Alzheimer's disease progression. Alzheimer's disease is common in the older section of the population. It is a nervous system disease and it causes damage to the brain cells. It affects a person's ability to think and speak and recollect information clearly. In our project, we propose to build a model that will collect data from different sources such as genetic, MRI, and clinical data. We will use this to capture a relation between different models to help predict in the progression of Alzheimer's disease in a patient. For this project, we collect the MRI, genetic, and clinical data from ADNI dataset. This dataset classifies patients into three categories: cognitively normal, mild cognitive impairment, and patients who have Alzheimer's disease. We will use both supervised and unsupervised learning for our model. In supervised learning, we will use an attention-based model. In the first layer, we will use multi-headed self-attention model, which is followed by a cross-model attention layer, and these are finally concatenated to get the final classifier. We will also perform unsupervised learning on our data. The genetic data has a lot of features and most of them are not very informative. So we will use principal component analysis to extract the most important features from this dataset. After building our model, we need to evaluate it. We will use metrics such as F1 score, accuracy, precision, recall, and cross-entropy loss to evaluate our model. Using our model, we hope to predict the stage of Alzheimer's disease a patient is in. The analysis of cross-modalities dependencies will tell us which data is more important in classification of Alzheimer's disease progression. We will also build a generalized framework so that we can extend our code to any number of modalities for any relevant discoveries in the future.